Hey guys, it's me, Santiago Plays Roblox and Reactions, and today, you guys, I have a package here. Let's take a look and see inside of what we got. Safety first. Safety first. And your scissors. Alright, let's get this open. Okay, let's continue cutting this open. Yeah, let me see. That. Yes, this is it. Truth, guys. Oh my god. It's finally arrived, you guys. My brand new GreenLight Yellowstone 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie from the TV show Yellowstone. We all may know that John Dutton from Yellowstone. For those of you die-hard Yellowstone fans out there have seen the show. I know y'all like the show. So for today, I'm going to unbox it. So here we go. Finally, I've been waiting for this truck to come out. Okay. Extremely careful now. I'm going to keep the box, by the way. So be extremely careful with this thing. Okay. Careful, we got big old toe mirrors. I don't want to break that. Okay. Careful now. Careful. Careful. Okay. Easy. Easy does it. Easy. There you go. Here's the brand new Yellowstone truck. I have to say, from the details coming out of the box, the side steps look good, the mirrors look good, the interior looks black. There's a trailer hitch. Looking at the Laramie here, looks extremely beautiful. The back cover of the window, extremely nice. Looks very nice. I want to keep the box. Why not? Taking a look at the car, you guys, looks extremely beautiful. Looks nice and beautiful. It drives well. Love it. Alright, and that's the fastest review I've done. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna have to end the car review here. So, if you like this, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace, y'all.